everyone, my name is Gwen Hummel. I am a biologist, geneticist, and creation scientist, and I'm very excited to announce my 6-week live online special event series titled How Science Points to the Creator. In each lesson, we'll be looking at modern scientific discoveries in fields such as genetics, geology, and dating methods in order to see how modern science points towards the creation account detailed in the Bible. In each lesson, we'll be focusing on modern scientific discoveries and learn how to interpret them in order to become better scientists and better able to defend our faith. This means that there will be no homework and no exams, just lots of good learning in each 1-hour lecture. This also means bring all of your super important questions because we'll have 20 to 30 minutes at the end of each lesson to answer all of your questions. Each of these lessons will be recorded live so they can be watched later. And if you have any questions about how to sign up or need more information about the course, see the details in the description below. And I'm very excited and hope to see you all October 11th.